One of the biggest problems is that their Starlink is not powering on. So let's say you have your Starlink, it's all set up, you have everything kind of set up, but for some reason your Starlink is just not powering on no matter what you do. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Now, you can see I have all my wires kind of spread apart, but you want to find your AC adapter. So when you're setting up your Starlink, you want to find this white box that looks something like this. This is basically your power hub. This is going to be what's powering everything. One of the biggest things that I've seen with Starlink users is that if for some reason it's not powering on, it could be because this wire, this actual plug, is not actually fully working or it's not clicked in properly. So go through, double check this port here and double check that it was fully connected. If it's kind of in like this and it's not fully clicked in, that's going to be a problem. You can see it's just going to slide out and it doesn't have a good connection. So go through and make sure you have a good solid connection. You should be able to see that this particular compression, like the thing that kind of squeezes, it pretty much just squeezed in all the way and it doesn't really move out. You should be able to kind of hold it like this without it really falling out.